So hey guys, good morning. So guys, I hope everybody having a wonderful morning this morning. I hope everyone get up with good health and good strength. No, there has been a lot going on out there. There's been a lot going on. A lot going on. So I just want to say this. I do take accountability for my actions. And when me said my actions, I mean bringing partners around my kids. I do take responsibility and I see when me really go wrong. You understand? By setting a bad impact upon my own child. I have tried to do my best to do good. Sometimes you will tell yourself, say you do good, and you don't even know, say you're doing bad. Right? I can sit here and said to everyone, say me I go do better because mouth make for talk. But I'm willing to work on myself. I'm willing to work with my daughter because I want to see my child. That's my child. You understand? And I want to see good come out her. So I'm willing to do the right thing to make it better. You understand? I'm not telling anyone my right for everything what me do, but me try my best. And I only can do such. You understand? But right here, sitting down at this moment, I'm telling you, I do apologize to the public. I apologize to my daughter. I apologize, you understand me, to anyone out there who willing to listen. And it's not about you guys, like Tommy started to. It's not about you guys, but this is the space where we share. Everything is on social media, right? Yes. No, I want to say this. Jaden, you gave me $500. And from the day you give me that $500 there, it seems like it is a life sentence. The day named day, I beg you to help me to buy some steel to fix my house. And you give me that $500. It's like a sentence. And you always have it over my head. I heard you said on my live, say if me want one next $500, I know you not take nothing serious. I'm gonna give you back that $500. I'm gonna do everything within my power to make sure say me give you back your money. You understand? I'm sorry the day I even open my mouth and ask you for that $500. Because that $500 been hanging over my head from the day me take it from you. You understand? No, with all due respect, I'm asking you to leave me and my family alone. Right? Thank you for the little way you say you do, but I'm going to give you back your money. All right? I wish you all the best, Jaden. I swear to God, I wish you all the best. And for no, I hear them say me sell you my daughter. I don't even want to speak on it because me and you know me never sell you my daughter. You gave me $500 to buy some steel. $500. And from that, you started to par with me. Anyway, I'm going to give you back the money. I say jobbers come in our life. And I say jobbers help we. I never say jobbers try to drag we down. Even if jobbers go troll we, jobbers rather call we and tell me. I never say jobbers hold nothing over my head. There's one thing I respect about jobbers. Jobbers know when to draw a line. And that is what I respect about jobbers. You understand? So anyway, as when I said, I do apologize. All right? And I will make sure you get back that money. Now for you, Anna, yeah, my daughter, I carry you for 9 months. When I turned and said to you that I don't want to play any game with you on social media, Because since everything happened, I was trying to explain. When me said spotlight, me never mean nothing by it. What I'm saying is, as soon as this happened, you choose to come up with something. Right? So, me never did not try, when, me never did not, how people put it, and that the way there. Me maybe say it wrong and send out the message wrong. But I'm not going to sit there with you, Anna, playing any hypocrite. Right? I'm not going to sit there and play hypocrite with you. You apologize, but you never mean it. You never mean it. You will sit down and look in my face, dry eye, and tell lie. The day name there, you can prove it to me, say me sell you to a man, and you can prove it. And I want to know the man, the money, you understand me, and when me sell you. The day name there, you tell me who me sell you to. You can't talk to me. You can never ever deal back with me in life. I'm not going to sit there playing no games with Uno and Uno pretend you're your man. Say you care about me. You don't care about me. I call you up on the phone and you make the man listen to your whole away argument. Next you come back on the media and start tell people everything. So we just go back over the same thing over and over and over again. It's just a circle. It's just a circle. So that's the reason why when I said it on social media, you understand? I said, I don't want to play no games with you. I don't want to do this because it's all about uno just a pretend. You understand? So when you come out and you tell people, say, me sell you, me put on matching clothes with you. I remember one time me and you live at Chilani. I remember a day me have a matching clothes so true. We did go one football match on the ball ground at Chilani. Ask anybody who knew me when me did there at Chilani, because me used to work at Chilani. Me and you wear matching clothes together. And we got the event. Jagger was there. Kweng was there. And you have to prove it to me. Now prove it to me. You have to show me. Say me sell you. And if you continue to do this, I think me I go take it to the court. Me can't stomach for ear. My own a pitney I tell lies say me sell you. The amount of rape and abuse me get. For take my own girl pitney for turn to one next man. For know say all the sacrifice me sacrifice. The road where me tan pan and night time and night Jew for you come out and say me sell you. I rather sell myself, Anna. You're wicked and you're evil. I mean, not care what nobody wants to say. And I'm not blaming you. I'm asking you if you can leave we alone. Leave us alone. What else you can do to me? She gone. Anna, she gone. You did supposed to be a family, Terry. You did supposed to go through school. Me should have make CDA take you. Because you did one of the baddest and lies spit me ever have. A whole heap of business place you make me lock down, me run up and down for you. So just like how you said they went to take Zoe, they went to take you too. Because I was struggling with you. Me get help for you. And you never take it. Family member take you. People who have them good money and nice home take you. And you tell lie upon them. Me nah look no excuse, Anna. Me nah look no excuse, but me ask you if you can leave me alone. You have 2 baby now I come. 2 baby. Your time I come upon this earth. If you know what it is to raise a child. That's all me ask. I am sorry. Me apologize to my kids. Me apologize to the public. I'm tired. Alright? I'm really tired.